Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see how to make paneer sandwich. Take 200 grams of small paneer cubes in a bowl. With this, add half chopped onion, 3 tablespoons of chopped capsicum, grated carrot 2 tablespoons, quarter cup of sweet corn kernels, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix them all together. You can make 4 sandwiches with this. Now take 2 bread slices. Keep 1 cheese slice over the bread. Now add quarter portion of paneer mixture over the cheese. Now take another slice of bread and spread the butter on one side which facing outside. Place it over the paneer mixture and press gently. Now we will see 3 methods of toasting sandwich. First we will see how to make it in dosa pan. Heat a dosa pan. Pour quarter teaspoon of butter. Now place the sandwich and press it gently. Cook around 30 seconds on each side. Another method is electric griddle. Preheat the electric griddle for 3 minutes if it is 1000 watts. Otherwise preheat around 5 minutes. Now place the sandwich in the griddle. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Another method of cooking is take place in the oven. Keep the sandwich in the grill rack. Set it as grill mode. Cook around 4 to 5 minutes in high temperature. Take it out and flip the sandwich, then cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now the paneer sandwich is ready. Please try this at your home. Post your feedback, like and share the video. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.